शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। सरस्वती नमस्तेस्तु वीणा पुस्तकधारिणी हंसवाहनमारूढे विद्यादानं कुरुष्व मे। So let's quickly revise what we have done so far. First, we did the alphabet, the Devanagari script. The Varnamala has two parts, the Swaras and Vyanjanas. Other than that, the Devanagari script has the Ayogavahas, the Gunitaksharas and the Sanyuktaksharas also. So the Swaras are 13 in number. 5 are Hrasva Swaras. The remaining 8 are Dirgha Swaras. The Hrasva Swaras are A, I, U, R and L. The Dirgha Swaras are A, I, U and R. These 4 have corresponding short swaras. And A, I, O and Au, which do not have a short form. Then we saw the Vyanjanas. We can divide Vyanjanas on the basis of the grouped consonants and the ungrouped consonants. The grouped consonants are called the Vargiya Vyanjanas because there are 5 groups of 5 varnas each. The Kavarga, Chavarga, Tavarga, Tavarga and Pavarga. And then we have the Antastaha, Yara, Lava. After that we have the Ushmanaha, Sh, Sa and Ha. Then we saw the Ayogavahas, which are the Anuswara, Visarga, Jihvamuliyaha and the Upadmaniyaha. Then there are the Gunitaksharas. After that we saw the Gunitaksharas, which are combinations of consonants with vowels. After that we saw the Sanyuktaksharas, which are combinations or clusters of consonants without intervening vowels. How to write them, how to combine the different consonants is what we saw under the Sanyuktaksharas. After that we started learning some new words. The new words that we learned are under the category of nouns. So some general nouns, also some names of people and things we learned. How to write them, and we divided the nouns are basically in 3 categories, which are masculine, feminine and neuter. Masculine is pullingam, feminine is strilingam, neuter gender is napumsakalingam. Then we also saw the pronouns, which are demonstrative in nature. Etad and idam, which are both referring to things or people which are close by, and tad referring to things or people which are far away or not seen. So under these also we have the Pullinga, Strilinga and Napumsakalinga forms. For etad, the Pullingam is Eshaha, Strilingam is Esha, Napumsakalingam is Etat, where the tat has the first prathama takara, first takara. And then for idam, the pullingam is ayam, strilingam is iyam, and napumsakalingam is idam. And for tat, the pullingam is saha, the strilingam is sa, and the napumsakalingam is tat. And it is tat, not tad. Tad is the shabda. Tat, where with the first takara is the napumsakalinga form. Again, we saw the question pronoun kim, which is who or what or which in its 3 genders, kaha in pullingam, ka in strilingam and kim itself in napumsakalingam. Then we saw how to combine the pronouns with the nouns based on their gender to form simple 2-word sentences. And we have been seeing that in the last class, and now also we'll continue seeing that with a different set of nouns. So we are just familiarizing ourselves with more and more words with different vowels. First we saw with akara words, the combinations with akara, then with ikara, and then we started seeing the words which have ukara, the harasva dirgha ukara and the rakara. So I think we read the words once last class. We'll continue reading them this class as well. So the homework was with some new words with ikara and ikara under the lesson 4. So again, if anybody wants to read out what they have written, you can do so. You can raise your hands and I will call you. Okay. Bihan, would you like to read? Bihan, you're self-muted. If you want to read, you can unmute yourself. Vidya Subramaniam, would you like to read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
The first one is
Yes.
Eshaha Manihi.
Okay. So you can use Esha or Saha or Ayam. Either of all the three are okay. But I think in this lesson we used Eshaha and Saha, right? So either Eshaha or Saha, both are right. If you use Eshaha, you should say
This is a jewel or a gem.
yes, this is a jewel or a gem. Next is
Etat Pitam
correct.
or Tat Pitam.
Yes.
Okay. So the
Both
meaning.
Etat, Tat, and Idam. All the three are right. So you can use any pronoun. Meaning, if it is Etat, it will be what is the meaning of this?
If it is Etat,
What is a
this.
Peetham?
Is it a seat, ma'am?
Yes, it is a seat or a platform.
Okay,
Next
ma'am.
is Atithi.
Eshaha Atitihi.
Eshaha Atithi. So what does that mean?
This is a guest.
Yes, this is a guest. Next is Pitambaram.
Etat Pitambaram.
Yes, that is okay. We will learn the meaning in this class. You don't worry about the meaning because it ends in you have classified it as Napumsakalingam, and so you have used etat, which is correct. Pitambaram is a yellow dress or a yellow robe. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is Nidhihi. Nidhihi is a what lingam is that? Can you find out what lingam is it?
Pullingam.
Correct. Why did you guess it is pullingam?
Because it has a visarga as an ending.
Very good. For now, you can just identify with a visarga ending that it is a pullingam. Just like how manihi, we thought it is pullingam because of the visarga. Nidhihi is also pullingam because of the visarga. So
Okay,
saha or eshaha or ayam nidhihi. So if it is eshaha nidhihi, it means nidhihi is treasure. So that or this is a treasure. If you use eshaha, it is this is a treasure. Thank
okay,
you.
ma'am. Thank you.
Dhanyavadah. Vidusanu, would you like to read the next set?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Just a minute. Bhimaha. Ram, yeah. Vidusanu, you can read. You're self-muted. Now I can hear you. Your audio is switching between mute and unmute. I think there's a problem with your audio. Okay, I'll give you another chance later. Venkatesan Srinivasan, would you like to try?
Yes, madam.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Bhimaha. Good evening, Ram. Yeah.
भीमः एषः भीमः
Eshaha, Bhimaha, or Saha Bhimaha. Bhimaha, Bhima is a name.
This is
So
Bhima. That is
This
Bhima.
is Bhima. Yes, that is Bhima, or this is, or he is Bhima generally. Okay. Next
Esha
is,
Leela.
yes,
She is Leela.
yes. It can be the name, or it can mean it is a play or some, we say Bhagavan's Leela, so it is the play of the god and all that. Leela has another meaning as well.
एषः विनायकः.
Eshaha Vinayakaha, or Saha Vinayakaha.
Gajanan. This is Ganapati.
This is Vinayaka. That is Vinayaka, or this is Vinayaka. Okay, very good. Next is
Bhavani.
yeah,
Sa
this
Bhavani.
is correct.
She
I
is
have
Bhavani.
written
Sa Bhavani.
Sa Bhavani, she is Bhavani. Correct. But here there is a mistake. I will correct it later. It should be Bha. It's not Vani. It is Bhavani.
That is
So
Bhavani.
Sa Bhavani. No, you read it correctly. Yes.
Okay.
So she is Bhavani. Next is
एषः धनिकः.
Eshaha or Saha Dhanikaha.
He is rich. He is a rich person.
He is a rich man. So Saha means far away. So we say he is a rich man referring to somebody far away. Eshaha is somebody close by. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, madam.
Usha B, do you want to try?
Tell me, madam.
Yeah, I can hear you. Ram.
Ram.
Yeah, there are just 3 more words, I think. Nadi.
Nadi. Sa Nadi. Yesha Nadi. This is a river.
Very good. Nadi is a river. Next is?
Simhasanam.
Yes.
Throne.
Simhasanam is a throne.
Etat Simhasanam or Tat Simhasanam.
Okay. Or idam simhasanam. It means that or
That
this
is the throne.
a throne. Okay. Next is
Kashi.
Kashi.
Yesha Kashi, Yasa Kashi.
Very good. So this is the name of the place, Kashi. It has no special meaning. It is just the name of the place, Kashi. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha.
Now, since you were not familiarized with these words before, we will read these words again. Manihi, Saha Manihi, that is a jewel or a gem. This is a pullinga word. Next is Manihi is a jewel or a gem. Peetham is tat peetham. It's a Napumsakalinga word because it ends in It means it's a seat or a pedestal. Next is Atithihi. Atithihi is a guest. Because of the Visarga, we can guess that it is a Pullinga word. Saha Atithihi. Then it means he is a guest. Pitambaram. Pitambaram is a Napumsakalinga word because it ends in tat or etat or idam. Pitambaram means this or that is a yellow robe. Nidhihi is a treasure. Nidhihi is treasure. And saha, eshaha or ayam. Nidhihi, this or that is treasure. Then Bhimaha. Bhimaha is a name, masculine, pullingam, saha, eshaha or ayam. Bhimaha. Leela. Leela is either play or the name Leela. Sa, esha or yam Leela. He or she, she is Leela or the play. And then Vinayakaha. Vinayakaha is Lord Vinayaka or just a person whose name is Vinayaka. Saha Vinayakaha or Yeshaha Vinayakaha or I am Vinayakaha. He is Vinayaka. And then Bhavani. Make the correction. This is Bha and not Bh. So Bhavani is again a name. Bhavani, Sa Bhavani, Esha Bhavani, Iyam Bhavani. She is Bhavani. Dhanikaha is a rich man. Saha Dhanikaha or Eshaha Dhanikaha or Ayam Dhanikaha is he is a rich man. Nadi is a river, Strilinga word which has an E-kara ending. So the long E-kara or the long A-kara, we know that they are Strilinga words. For now, that is how we are going to find out whether they are Pullingam or Strilingam or Napumsakalingam. Long E-kara and long A-kara are feminine Strilingam. Sa Nadi, that is a river. If it is Yesha Nadi, we'll say this is a river. Simhasanam is a throne. Tat Simhasanam, Napumsakalingam because it ends in So it is etat, tat or idam. That or this is a throne. Kashi is the name of the place Kashi, but it is Strilinga. E-kara ending. So Sa Kashi and that or this is Kashi. If it's Esha Kashi, we say it is this is Kashi. Now I will call out one more person who can read the whole thing again so that we can recollect these words. I think these words were not introduced to you before. Sukanya C.
Ram Ram Namaste.
Ram Ram Namaste. Now you can read the words with the meaning.
Okay.
Manihi,
which
yeah.
means jewel or gem.
Yes.
Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah. Manihi, which means gem or jewel. This is a pulling, so we can either use ayam, saha or eshaha. So saha
Yes.
manihi, that is a jewel or gem.
Yeah.
Peetham. Peetham means seat or pedestal or platform. This is a neuter gender, that is Napumsakalingam. So we can use idam, tat or etat. Idam
Right.
peetham, tat peetham. That is a seat or pedestal.
Okay.
Atithihi, which means guest. This is again pullingam. So we can either use ayam, saha or eshaha.
Yeah.
So saha atithihi Ayam atitihi or Eshaha atitihi.
Yeah. It means a guest.
Guest, yeah. Pitambaram, which means yellow robe. So this is again Napumsakalingam, neuter gender. So we can either use idam, tat or etat. Tat pitambaram, that is a yellow robe.
Yes.
Nidhihi, which means treasure. So this is again Pullingam. So we can either use ayam, eshaha or saha. Saha nidhihi. He is, that is a treasure.
Yeah. So in English, it's confusing. You can use he or you can use that, because if you want a literal translation, you will say he,
He.
but that will make more sense in English. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Sriram MC, would you like to read the next set? Sriram MC Mahodaya, are you there?
Yes. Namo Namah.
Namo Namo.
Bhimah.
Yes.
Eshaha Saha Ayam Bhimah. Name
Yes.
of one of the Pandavas.
Yeah.
Leela. Sa
Yeah.
Leela. Esha Leela or Iyam Leela,
Very good.
which is a play or a person's name.
Yes.
Vinayakah. Vinayakah. Eshaha Saha or Ayam Vinayakah. Ganesha.
It's just it's just a name, or it can be Lord Vinayaka.
Lord Vinayaka. Bhavani, Sa Bhavani, Esha Bhavani, or Iyam Bhavani, which is Bhavani, which would be Durga or the name of a person.
Yes.
And then Dhanikaha, Saha Dhanikaha, Eshaha Dhanikaha, Ayam Dhanikaha. He is a rich man, or that is a rich man, or this is a rich man.
Yeah. So you can continue reading the rest of the three also. There are just three more. So
Nadi, Sa Nadi, Esha Nadi, Iyam Nadi. This is
yeah,
a river.
this or that is a river. Next is
Simhasanam. Idam Simhasanam, Tat Simhasanam, and what did I forget? Etat Simhasanam.
Simhasan. Yeah.
This or that is a Simhasanam. A throne. Kashi, Esha Kashi, Sa Kashi, or Iyam Kashi.
Yeah.
This is Kashi, the city.
Very good. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada. Thank you.
Now we will learn some words with ukara, ukara, and rikara. Actually, we saw these words in the last class as well. We will quickly revise them twice and then take some exercises for practice. So I will call one of you who has raised your hands. Shivashankar Bogaram V. Gupta. Mahoday, self-muted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Samram Bhagini, Srinoti va?
Ram. Ha. So can you read this, please?
Yeah. Words in masculine gender, Pullingam. I am Guruhu. He is a teacher. I am Shuraha. He is a warrior. Yeshaha Kumaraha. He is a youth. Yeshaha Mushikaha. This is a mouse. Saha Garudaha. That is an eagle. Saha Mrugaha. That is a deer. I am Vayuhu. That is the wind. I am Vrishabha. That is a bull. I am Kupaha. That is a well. Saha Pashuhu. That is an animal. Saha Bhupalaha. He is a ruler.
Very good. Dhanyavadaha, Mahoday.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.
Sheetal Shah, would you like to read this again?
Ram Bhagini.
Ram. Yeah. Please read.
Ram.
Yeah.
In masculine gender, Pullingam. I am Guruhu. He is a teacher. Eshaha Kumaraha. He is a youth. Saha Garudaha. That is an eagle. I am Vayuhu. That is a wind. I am Kupaha. That is a well. Saha Bhupalaha. He is a ruler. I am Shuraha. Ome, हमारा बंद करनी. Ome.
Sorry.
Sorry. I am Shuraha. He is a warrior. Eshaha Mushikaha. This is a
Yes.
mouse.
Yes.
Saha that is a deer.
Can you
I am
repeat that word again? Because it was not audible.
Mrugaha.
Mrigaha. It is
Saha
Mrig.
Mrugaha.
Mrigaha.
Saha Mrugaha.
Yes.
That is a deer. I am Vrishabha.
Yes.
That is a bull. Saha Pashuhu. That is an animal.
Excellent. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
I have some difficulty in Rukar. Mruga, Vrishabha. Is it okay?
Br. The R is to be pronounced after the consonant which is immediately preceding it. Br or br.
Br.
Yes, exactly. You got it. Mr or br. Dhanyavadaha. Next, we will go to Strilinga words. Shanchan. Shanchan, can you read? Shanchan, you're self-muted. You can unmute yourself and read. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing your name right. Shanchan, right? Okay. Shailajaji, do you want to read?
Yes, ma'am. Ram.
Ram. Yeah. Please read.
Iyam bhumihi. This is earth.
Very good.
Ma'am, there is a visarga, still it is a feminine?
Yes. So this is an exception. That's what I told you. This visarga, the dirgha, all these things are subject to changes after some time. So this is an exception where even though there is a visarga, it is a strilinga word. All words for the earth are generally strilinga words. All the words referring to the earth are strilinga words because we say she. The earth is referred to in only feminine gender. Yeah.
Okay. Esha Sujata. She is Sujata. Sa Kumari. She is a girl. Iyam Kali. She is Kali. Esha Sushama. That is intelligence. Sa Kripa. That is pity.
Very good. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha.
Shekhar Ananthakrishnan Mahodaya, would you like to read?
Ram Ram.
Ramaram. Yeah, please read.
Iyam Bhumihi. This is the hair. Yesha Sujata. She is Sujata. Sa Kumari. She is the girl. Iyam Kali. She is Kali. Yesha Sushama. That is intelligence. Sa Kripa. That is pity.
Okay. Do you remember the other word for girl that we saw in the last class, last or couple of classes before?
Yes, Saha Kumaraha.
No, for a small girl.
Balika.
Balika or Bala. Bala is the word we saw. Kumari is a slightly older, slightly older young girl. So Bala or Balika is a small child. Kumari is a young girl. Okay. Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadalu.
Shashwat K, do you want to read?
Hey, Shashwat, inga ba. Shashwat, va padi va.
Okay, Shashwat is playing, so we'll ask Sarita Singh.
Attention, these guys don't see me. They can't understand what's going on in here.
Sorry? Can you read this, please, Sarita Singh?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Ram Ram.
Ram. Namaste.
Iyam Bhumihi. This is Isha Sujata. She is Sujata.
Yes.
Kumari. She is a girl.
Yes.
Kali. She is Kali. Isha Sushma. That is intelligence.
Pronounce Sushama.
Okay, sorry. Isha Sushama. That is intelligence. Sa Kripa. That is pity. Can I say something? How do I get your emails? I don't know how to get the homework.
The homework you have to, you don't have to submit the homework.
No, still I don't know how to download, where to get it from.
It is in the course page and it is available as you, if you log into your account in Vyoma sanskritfromhome.in and then you access the course page and scroll down, you will see all the lessons, the presentations which are shown in class are uploaded in there. And along with that, you will find the homework as well.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha. Now we'll see the Napumsakalinga words. Sanjit Ram Prasad Mahodaya, do you want to read?
Ram Ram.
Ramaram. Namaste. Please read.
Hi.
Idam. This is Ka, the second letter of the Ka Varga. Sukham. Idam Sukham. Yes.
Sukham.
Yes. No, you read the meaning and then you go to the next one. Idam Sukham means this is comfort or joy or pleasure. Sukham is yes.
Idam. Noon.
Shubham. In Napumsakalingam, all the words end in So Shubham. Etat Shubham. Etat means this. Shubham is auspicious. So this is auspicious. Etat Shubham. Next one is
Tat dukaha. That is sorrow.
Here the visarga is after the du. So you have to pronounce it. I told you jihva muliyaha is a visarga before ka and kha, right? So here du followed by the visarga followed by kha. You have dukham. Can you pronounce that? Dukham. Dukham. You have to pronounce it with a ha. Yes, before and after the ka there is a ha. Dukham. That is sorrow.
That is sorrow.
Yes.
Etat Purana.
Purana is the stories of Lord, the olden times. Yeah. So
that is the Purana. This is the Purana.
Etat is this. So this is Purana. Yeah. Next is
Tata Ayam. Tata Ayud.
Here the tat has a the second takara has a slanting line below. So it is tat.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Tat ayudham. Ayudham. Can you pronounce that?
Yeah.
Tat
Bluetooth
ayudham.
device is connected successfully.
Tat Ayudham.
Tat ayudham. That is a weapon. Then idam.
Idam graha. This is a house.
It is gr, because if it is gra, it will mean it is a gakara followed by a repha. Whereas here it is not a repha but a rkara. R is a vowel. Do you remember we saw it under vowels? A, I, U, R. This is the rkara which is added to the ga varna to make it a gunitakshara gr. So griham. You should pronounce it as griham.
Ida graham. This
Idam.
is a house.
Yes, idam griham. This is a house. Do you want to read the rest of the words as well?
Idam nur drunaha.
This is trinam. Takara with the rkara, which is a gunitakshara again. Trinam. Idam trinam. Trinam means?
Idam trinam. This is
Very
grass.
good. This is grass. Next is?
Tat bruha. Brihat. Tat
Yes.
brihat.
Yes.
That is large.
Brihat is large. Next is?
Tat amritaha. That is nectar.
There is no visarga at the end. There is an anuswara at the end, which means it is amritam. Amritam. Amritam is nectar. Yeah. Next is?
Idam.
Very good.
Idam kuduharam.
It's not the, it is ta. Kutuhalam. Ku is a short ukara. Tu has a dirgha ukara. So it is tu. Kutuhalam. That is, It should not be that. It is this, because idam is this. This is rejoicing.
This is rejoicing. Tat rupaha. That is an appearance. Tat rupaha.
Appearance. Appearance means it's a form. So something that is seen. It has a shape and a form. So that is rupam. It is not rupaha because there is no visarga at the end. There is only an anuswara. Actually, it has to be a makara. Rupam is how you pronounce it. Did you understand that, Sanjukta?
Tat rupam.
Yes. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram.
Ramana. So now that we have learned the three lingam words in three lingams for the ukara, ukara and rikara words, let us try to do some exercises. Sambhasha 2421. Do you want to attempt the exercises? Sambhasha 2421. Okay. Shakti. Shakti Mahodaya, do you want to try? Yes, you can unmute yourself now. There's no problem. Yeah.
Ram Ram. Namaskara.
Ram Ram. Namaskara. This is a mouse. Do you remember the word for mouse? Mushikaha. Mahodaya, we can't hear
Saha
you.
Mushikaha.
Yeah.
Saha
Saha.
Mushikaha.
If it is this, you have to use the etad shabdaha or the idam shabdaha. So for a pullinga word, what will the idam or etad shabda be?
Yeshaha Mushikaha.
Very good. Or I am Moshikaha.
I am Mushikaha.
Okay, good. Next is, this is pity. Do you remember the word for pity?
No, I don't remember the word.
Kripa is the word we learned with a rikara, kakara with a r, which is a gunitakshara, kri. Yes.
So Yesha Kripa.
Yes. Or iyam
Yesha
kripa.
Kripa. Or Iyam Kripa. This is an Rupa. Appearance is Rupa.
Rupam.
So this is
Rupam is a napumsakalinga word. So it has to.
Rupam. So Idam Rupam or Etat Rupam.
Very good. Etat or idam. Next is, this is intelligence.
Intelligence. Intelligence is Buddhi.
Buddhihi is right, but here we learned the word sushrama. An akara ending word. Sushrama is what we learned.
Okay.
Iyam
Okay.
Yesha Sushrama.
Yesha Sushama. Iyam Sushama.
Very good. Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya. SG Sindhu Suvarna. You're self-muted. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll show you the word. 1 minute. Yes. That is a well.
Ma'am,
Well is Kupaha. If you remember, we learned
Yes,
the
ma'am.
word Kupaha. So Kupaha is what lingam?
ma'am, it is a Napusakaling.
It ends in a visarga. Akara followed by visarga. So what lingam is it?
Ma'am, it is Napusakaling.
It is a pullinga word because it ends with an akara and a visarga at the end. Kupaha.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means Saha Kupaha. Next is that is nectar. What is the word for nectar that we just saw?
Ma'am,
Yes.
nectar.
Amritam. Amritam. Yes. The Devas wanted the Amritam, right? That is the nectar. So what lingam is that? Is the ending. So what is the lingam of that word?
Ma'am, it is Napusakaling.
Yes, it is Napunsakalinga. And so you have to use for that. Yes, excellent. Tat Amritam. Tat Amritam. Next is this is a girl.
Ma'am, it is Kumari.
Very
Striling.
good. Strilinga. Yeah. Iyam or Esha Kumari. Then that is grass. You've muted yourself. You can unmute yourself.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but I don't know the answer.
Trinam. Trinam is the word. It is an Napunsakalinga word. So you have to use etat or idam trinam. Idam or etat trinam. Dhanyavadaha. Ramya B, would you like to try the next set of exercises?
Namaskara, ma'am. Yeah, I'll try.
Ram. Yeah. So I have a sentence here. Iyam Kali. How do you frame a question for this? What is the question word you have to use?
The question word I will have to use is ka.
Yes, because it is Strilingam.
Strilingam. So I will say iyam ka.
Iyam ka. Next is?
Do you say iyam ka or do you say ka iyam?
Both ways it is right. You can say either iyam ka or ka iyam. Both are right.
Okay. Saha vayuhu. So saha, this is the pullingam. So I will say saha kaha.
Saha kaha.
And the next one is etat puranam. So I will say etat kim.
Etat kim. Next is?
The next is esha bhumihi. Now bhumihi here is a strilingam.
Yes.
The exception that is. So we will say esha ka.
Very good. Esha ka.
This is tat kutuhalam.
Yes.
So I will say tat kim.
Tat kim. Very good. So what is kutuhalam? You recollect?
Kutuhalam was rejoicing.
Very good.
Celebration or rejoicing.
Yes. Dhanyavadaha. So now we have some homework given there are some exercises in the textbook, so you can try these for homework. In the first set of sentences, questions are given. Eshaha kaha. Eshaha Mushikaha. So you can use any word with a, you can use any of the words that we have learned so far. The only restriction being that it should be a pullinga word because we are saying eshaha. Next is saha kaha. Same, you have to use any pullinga word. Saha balaha, saha vinayakaha. Anything you can use. Esha ka. Here is strilinga word. Etat kim, napumsakalinga word. I am kaha, again a pullinga word. Tat kim, napumsakalinga word. Yam ka, strilinga word. Idam kim, a napumsakalinga word. Next is, there are some sentences and you have to translate them into Sanskritam. You have learned all these words. Goat, you have learned. God. Goat is ajaha. God, you have learned many words. Devaha, amaraha, ishaha. Hut is utajaha. Only be careful of what pronoun you're using. If it is close by, if it is this, you say I am utajaha or eshaha utajaha. This is Veena. Veena is the same word in Sanskritam. So yam or esha you can use for this. That is face. Ananam we learned, right? And then jewel. Jewel we used. We learned manihi. Earth is bhumihi. Conduct is acharaha. God again we saw. And then who. For devaha we use pullinga word. So kaha. Kaha devaha or devaha kaha. Both ways you can say. Which is the house? Griham kim or bhavanam kim. Both are correct. Then here again, you're asked to fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Depending on the nouns, the gender of the nouns, you can use a suitable pronoun and complete this. Next is you have to match the pronouns with the nouns based on the lingam. That is the only criteria. Only the lingam matters. Nothing else matters here. Then there are some words for which you have to form sentences with these words. Obviously, you know some pronouns, so you have to combine them with these nouns and form the two-word sentences that you normally do. Now, some of the these words are new to you, so we will see what these words are. Purushaha, I don't think we saw this before. Sukham we saw. Purushaha is man. Sukham is comfort. Puja is worship. Nutanam is new. Purushaha is man. It is in Pullingam, obviously. Sukham is a Napumsakalinga word. Puja is worship. And Nutanam is new. I think the rest of the words are familiar. Puja, Nutanam. Kali Yugam. Kali Yugam is just the Yuga. So it is an Napumsakalinga word. Kumari we saw. Tulasi, Brinda are all. Tulasi and Brinda are just names. So you can use it according to the appropriate lingam. And then with the pronouns, you can use any noun of your choice. So this is the homework. Before we go to the next lesson, I will see if there are any questions. Actually, we are left with very little time. So if there are questions, I will take the questions. And then I think we can stop here, actually. The question can be ka, kali, kaha, vayuhu, etc. Also no. Yes, it can be that. If there are many people and you want to ask who out of this is Kali, you can say ka, kali. Who is Kali? And then kaha, vayuhu. What is air? So the question can be this also. What to do with the question number 5? You mean 5.5? The last exercise. In the book, this is the 5th lesson. So 5 lessons are over so far. Somebody wants to know what is the number of the lesson that we have completed. If a word ends in aukara and also has a visarga, what is the visarga sound? Auhu, it should be. It is a and u together gives you au. So you ended with a final vowel sound. Actually, au itself has 2 sounds, akara and ukara. So it is, the visarga will get the sound uhu. Okay. Yes, so all the dictionaries, Aapte, etc. define Sushama as splendor or beauty. Where do we get intelligence from? So the book says it's intelligence. Actually, in Sanskritam, there can be several meanings for a single word, and there can be several words with a single meaning as well. So it is not possible to very restrictively say that this has only this meaning, but Mahodaya has given the meaning Sushama in the book, so we will stick to that meaning which is given in the book, because we are just at the beginning level. We can confine ourselves to that meaning. Bala refers to a small girl. Balaha is a boy. Bala is a girl. Balika is also a girl. Balakaha is a boy. We will learn those words a little later. Samyukta, I could not unmute you, so I will definitely give you a chance in the next class. In the Pullinga words, Vayuhu, Vrishabha, etc., when it is added after ayam, is it not saying the object is nearer? So this is when this is full, etc. Yes. When we say ayam, it means something that is close by. Can it be she is Kripa? I think you meant Kripa. Can it be she is Kripa? Yes. It can be the name of a person or it can be pity. So somebody has asked about the lingam of Bhumihi again. Ayam, it should be this only. Ayam is not that. Ayam is this. Just give me a moment. Atithihi is a common word, so here it is a Pullinga word, but it is common for a male or a female guest. So just like as I told you, Mitram is a Napumsakalinga word, irrespective of the gender. We have Atithihi to mean guest. Yes, in the course page, it is given as Pitham as dot on the Takara. Yes, in the textbook, it is given only as an Anuswara, but we have to use the Makara at the end. Can we use Ayam Atithihi or only Saha Atithihi? We can use both depending on the meaning. Saha is for far away, Ayam is for close by. Many people have asked the same thing. I am is also can be used. Saha Mani, he can also be he is Mani, the name of a person, Mani. That is also possible. Okay, those were the questions. We will stop with the Shanti mantra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadaha. We will try to upload the presentation as soon as possible so you can complete your homework by Thursday. Rama Rama Shubharatrihi. Dhanyavad.